Hi, this is Andrew from Renovation and Restoration, and this is a little update before we give you the final roof video. You can see that we've cleared the house off. We then had to remove all the demolished and collapsed roof. This was a bit of a slow process because it was all balancing on itself. We then took it down to a bare stone shell and started again. This involved us putting all the new first floor beams into the existing pockets using volleyage flooring, which is popular. This is going to be replaced by chestnut eventually. Then we put the new full deck in. Once we completed that, we then moved up to the second floor using beams along the wall to then make them all so we could determine the levels. We then installed all new floor beams and a new deck again out of volleyage, which is a 27mm popular. Once we completed this, we put new wall plates in and we installed a custom made roof where each rafter is cut to different lengths and different pitches. This allowed us to generate a roof which we're now covering with metal profile sheeting. This is basically because all the roof is going to get covered in solar panels, so the actual appearance of the structural roof is not really that important. This is the last video we're doing here now, which we're going to show you. This last video is basically us actually putting on the rear part of the roof. Enjoy.